Let's transfer this breadboard circuit onto this prototype board for a project I'm building. I've had this idea for a while now to build a functional desk accessory which combines electronics and 3D printing, and for this project I'm using a prototype board which is essentially a board where you can solder any component or wire in whatever way you want it. Now if you're someone who's making a DIY project with a circuit like this, there are two ways to turn this into something small and compact, either a prototype board or a PCB. Now this requires planning beforehand, so I start with laying out my LEDs using tape. I then plan out where my microcontroller, resistors and other components will be, as well as things like my power source and my ground. After laying out and soldering all of the components, you can then start the wiring process. Make sure the soldering work is clean, otherwise you might end up with wires that touch each other. Now once I had everything wired up, I did a test of the code. Here I'm just testing whether the LEDs light up or not, and then the final step is changing the code through my Arduino and attaching this force sensitive resistor which turns on the LEDs every time there is a force applied. Now I'm housing a 3D printed desk accessory for this, so stay tuned.